Hello student, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching. Here nitrobenzene when react with LiAlH4, what is the product? So nitrobenzene when react with LiAlH4, this is lithium aluminium hydride. This is a reducing agent and it reduces NO2 group into diazo group. Here azo group. So it is called azobenzene. Okay, this is benzene, N double bond N and benzene ring. So we can write down like this also, C6H5 N double bond N again C6H5. Both of them are one and the same thing. Okay, now here we have seen that nitrobenzene react with LiAlH4 gives you azobenzene. Now second question is nitrobenzene plus SnHCl gives you A, NaNO2HCl gives you B, B react with NaNH2 gives you C. So identify A, B, C. So nitrobenzene when react with tin and HCl, reduction occur, nascent hydrogen is formed, and this nascent hydrogen is formed, and here Sn plus HCl gives you SnCl2 plus twice of H. This nascent hydrogen is highly active species. It is atomic state of hydrogen, so highly active. Okay, so here it will reduces nitro group into aniline. So A, we understand that A is aniline. Now NaNO2 and HCl 0 degree C gives you B. What is B? Here it is at 0 degree C diazotization of 1 degree amine aniline aromatic. 1 degree amine will take place and you will get diazonium salt. This is B. Now B when react with NaNH2 in liquid ammonia, at that time this N2Cl here amide is obtained because this NH3 is deprotonated by NaNH2 and we will get NH2 1 negative nucleophile and it will replace this group and we will get aniline. Okay, now we will see that this is benzene intermediate is obtained and this is called benzene mechanism, and of course there will be NaCl will be lost here, Cl from here, Na from here, so NaCl will be lost. Okay, now we will go for the here A and C are same. You know, this is I pick up from the MCQ question because many times students are thinking that C should not be aniline. Yes, C should be aniline. Here A is aniline and C is aniline. That is why this confusing NaNH2 they have written. And benzene mechanism also I have written deliberately so that in assertion and reasoning question you should know that NH2 is attacking to this benzene diazonium group, and benzene mechanism will be there because benzene is formed here. Intermediate is benzene. Nitrobenzene when react with SnHCl, Sn and HCl aniline form, FeHCl aniline is formed from nitrobenzene. Sn plus HCl gives you SnCl2 plus twice of nascent hydrogen. It is atomic